Hi friends, today we will discuss how to solve simultaneous linear differential equations. So let me take one problem to solve this. dx by dt plus y equal to sin t plus 1 and dx by dy by dt plus x equal to cos t. Now let us discuss how to solve these two equations. Before solving, we will use some different symbol that the capital D is equal to d by dt. Based on this, the given system of equations can be written as dx plus y equal to sin t plus 1, and the other equation is written as dy plus x equal to cos t. So we just call it as 1 and this as 2. Now we will eliminate any one of the variables x or y. To eliminate y, so let me multiply the first equation by d. I will be getting d square x plus dy equal to d of sin t plus 1. That is, on simplification, it is cos t. That is d square x plus dy equal to cos t. This will be call it as 3, and keep the second equation as it is. We will be getting x plus dy equal to cos t. This we call it as number 4. So we'll eliminate y now because the coefficients of y are same, d and d. So subtract the fourth equation from third equation, we get these two get cancels. So d square x minus x equal to 0. That is d square minus 1 of x equal to 0. Now we will solve this by ordinary method. For that, let us take the auxiliary equation first. The auxiliary equation is m square minus 1 equal to 0, which implies m equal to plus or minus 1. Since the roots are real and distinct here, we get the value of x. Our complementary function is nothing but a into e power minus t plus b into e power t. Since there is no particular integral, so the solution is x is equal to complementary function. That is a into e power minus t plus b into e power t. This is x. Now by substituting this value of x in any one of the equations, either in 1 or in 2. Let me see the first and second equations. First equation is dx plus y equal to sin t plus 1 and dy plus x equal to cos t. So let me substitute this x value in second equation. That is substituting this x value in second equation. So second equation is dy plus x equal to cos t. So here we will substitute x to get the value of y. So from this dy equal to minus x plus cos t. Replacing x value a into e power minus t plus b into e power t, but there is minus x, so let me use minus sign, plus cos t. But left side is dy. We have to find y. Y equal to 1 by d of minus a into e power minus t minus b into e power t plus cos t. As we know that d stands for derivative d by dt, so 1 by d is nothing but integral of this. Therefore, you get integration of the entire thing is, since integral of e power minus t is minus e power minus t, we get plus a into e power minus t. And minus b is constant here, integral of e power t is itself, and integral of cos t will be sin t. And we will introduce some constants, integrating constant c. This is y. Therefore, the general solution is, or the solutions are x is equal to a into e power minus t plus b into e power t, and y equal to a into e power minus t minus b into e power t plus sin t plus some constant c. So this x and y gives the solution of the required simultaneous linear differential equations.